Question number 68 of the ID Vascular exam for PhilNITS. We are now in the strategy portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked an implementation plan for a company-wide information system that is consistent with a business strategy is to be created. Which of the following is the most appropriate person to take responsibility for this activity? Let's highlight a few keywords. We're talking about an implementation plan for a company-wide information system. Which of the following is the most appropriate person to take responsibility for this activity? I was answering this also just a while ago, and I was choosing between letter A or letter D. And let's see first why the other choices are incorrect. The CTO, or the Chief Technology Officer, I think this is the guy who is responsible for the technology that a company would be offering as a service or as a product. But in this case, we need a company-wide information system. So it's something that should be internal, not something that we are creating for a customer specifically outside the company. So letter B, I think, is not really the answer. And for letter C, it's saying that we get the head of the core business department to be responsible for this implementation plan. But again, we're doing something company-wide, but not necessarily something that we sell to a customer outside the company. So I think the choice letter C is also incorrect. Although I should say that the information system should be consistent with the business strategy. Yet the objective here, I think, is really to have some kind of system for the company internally. Okay, so we're down to letter A or letter D. I ended up choosing letter A, which is the Chief Information Officer, and is the correct answer in this question. Because when we look at letter D, it's saying that the person in charge of planning in the information systems department should be the one who is the most appropriate to take responsibility for this activity. But I think the letter D, the choice letter D, has the part about the person in charge of planning. So it looks like it's only about planning. And we need something that is going to be responsible for the implementation and not just about planning some kind of company-wide information system. And so a person who should be responsible for this activity would have some know-how of the information system and also has the plan to be able to implement the whole thing himself. And I think the Chief Information Officer is the most appropriate person to be responsible for this activity.